The final.
Much skill have you shown. Chosen for yourself, you have. Now, joined, you will be. It is time.
Wow. Master Yoda! The Force must be strong in this room. Builders, we have reached the final step of this process, where the bond between Builder and Saber will be forged. Now, in just a moment, I'm going to ask you all to take a step forward. Place your hands on your hilts and activate your lightsabers. And we are going to do that together. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Step forward, place your hands on your hilts, and activate. Woo! Raise your lightsabers. You have just built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and the Sith who have come before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark.